Welcome back to Asian Reviews. This is the sound test video for the Nixeus Moda V2 mechanical gaming keyboard. Now this is a 10-link keyless keyboard, as you can see on the right hand side, featuring the Kailh blues. I'm just going to zoom in here and you can see these are the Kailh blues, which are a blue switch similar to the Cherry MX blue and or the Razor greens. So I'm just going to be doing some various sound tests so you can see what the keyboard or hear what the keyboard would sound like. So here we go. Gaming situation. So that was the sound test video of the Nixeus Moda V2 mechanical keyboard. Make sure to check out the review for this mechanical keyboard, as well as a possible video featuring a comparison of the Kailh blues and or Kailh red switches or membrane switches, just talking about what makes mechanical switches mechanical and what makes red, blue, and brown and membrane switches different from one another. I'm your one and only Asian from Asian Reviews. Make sure to subscribe to stay tuned for the next Nixeus Moda review. Make sure to like this video if you did enjoy, and make sure to share this video so I can get some more support for Nixeus. Again, this was the sound test featuring the Kailh blue switches, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.